300 squat challenge dailies for 30 days. 12 exercises squat challenge workouts at home.
Let's start squatting. There will be a different variation of squat, okay? So let's start with the basic squat. So for the basic squat, we want to aim for 50 repetitions, okay? Stand shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward, and let's go down. And always remember to keep your chest up, back straight, okay? Nice and deep, engage your calf muscles, engage your legs, and really go down. Nice. Take it easy. This is only the start. So this is also part of the warm-up. So really get your leg muscles going and get your blood flow in your body. Good. Always remember to push up with your feet, okay? Good. Keep going. It's not a matter of rushing the water. It's a matter of getting a good, deep squat. Good. 335 every single day. Up. Do not ever push forward, okay? We're not doing this. Chest up. Look straight ahead. Push your butt back. Butt should always be back. So your knees should not go over your toes. Keep going. 15 more. And after this, we want to stay low and get into small squat houses. 10 more. Okay? Still on your basic squat. So you can keep your hands in the middle if you want to. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And now stay low. 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Good. All the way up. Let's challenge a little bit more. Squat, jump, okay? 15 times. Stand, let's go. 1, 2, good. Same thing. Good squat position. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and last 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now, shake it out a little bit, okay? That was sort of like your first set. The second set, we want to go into plie squat. That means I want you to stand wide, toes pointed out, knees pointed out, get down into a wide sumo squat, okay? So let's do 30 again. 3, good. Keep going, so knees pointed out, good, inner thigh is working. Nice. Keep squatting, push your butt back, okay? Chest up as well. Dig it deep. And really feel your inner thighs working. Again, you can place your hands on your waist if you want to, or just keep them in the center. Halfway there. Good. Keep squatting low. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, last 3, last 2, last 1, and now stay low. Squat houses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Can you feel the burn? Right, let's challenge ourselves and get into narrow to wide squat, okay? So let's start wide. 7, 8, 9, 10, squat low. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Shake it out. You're halfway there, okay? Stay with me. Give your thighs a good tap. Alright? Feel your bumps, muscles working. And now, get into narrow squat. Same thing. Let's start with 30 normal narrow squat. Ready? Toes pointed forward. Let's go. 1, 2, good. Again, no matter how wide you go, always remember, push your butt back, okay? Even when you're doing a narrow squat, chest up, alright? Your form is extremely important. Keep squatting and doing really, really good. 15 left, halfway there. Remember to breathe in and breathe out, okay? 10, 9, and you know the next one, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, stay low, 30 small narrow squat counting. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, keep it small, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Last 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Oh my gosh! All right. Right, now we will get into 30 low squat jump, okay? So stand shoulder width apart, toes pointed forward, stay low, and give me small jumps. So, okay? Forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Push yourself. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 2, keep pushing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Oh! Shake it out. All right, give your legs a short break and one final short sequence, all right? So let's start with squat with side difference, okay? So stand shoulder width apart, squat down, leg up, good. So you won't be engaging the outer thighs. Good, keep going, keep your body straight, okay? Find your balance. Nice. Look straight ahead and just gently raise your leg to the side. This is a nice relaxing break for a while. Good. Keep going. Woo. Almost halfway there. Squatting, remember, do not cheat, okay? Go deep. 15 left. Go deep, deep. Find the strength within you. Alright? Every time you feel pain, that is your muscles, your leg muscles getting stronger. And more. 9, 8, 7, up, 6, woo, stay with me. 5, 4, 3, last 2 more, stay strong. 2, last 1, and shake it out. Next challenge, okay? 180 degree rotation is 1. So I want you to start by facing to your left, okay? So we want to hop and face the opposite side, okay? Only 15 seconds. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, good. 3, 4, 5, to the right, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, last 5, feel the burn, feel it in the back, 2, 3, 4, 5, woo! Oh. And now the last workout, you have done 300 squats, and the final one is to hold it for 30 seconds, okay? It's just a squat hold, give it a best shot. Are you ready? Let's get down and start now. In, don't rush your breathing. Find your center of gravity. Listen to your breath. Calm yourself down, okay? Hands just gently beside you. Your sweat is dripping. Halfway there. You're almost there. You have 10 seconds left and you're done, okay? Stay strong. You are strong. Your legs are strong. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that was 335 squats. Give it a good shake. Well done, guys. So that was 335 squats.
I hope this video has been helpful, and you like it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And like and comment below.